É Central for Disease Control and Prevention de Merca está advertindo na mulher no estado para controlar com o vírus de Zika. CDC avisa não viaja para Caribe e países do Sul Centro-América para sobre estar associar vírus com defeito de nascimento. Esse aqui reporta o primeiro bebê com Zika na Hawaii. Enfermidade causada por sangura por riba na deficiência no momento de nascimento. Se uma mama queda infectada durante o embaraço. A história chama nossa atenção para sobre por lo menos um turista americano decidiu cancelar sua vacação para Aruba ou ela atende de advertência de CDC e nós usa o seguinte relato de CBS.
Tonight, the CDC is out with a warning for pregnant women. Do not travel to certain places in the Caribbean, Central, and South America. The threat, a virus linked to birth defects. Here's Marley Hall.
After hearing about the Zika virus, Christine RCE canceled a baby moon to Aruba, a final getaway before the birth of her first child.
I'm 14 weeks pregnant. I don't think mothers ever want to take that chance.
The mosquito-borne illness can cause a birth defect if the mother is infected during pregnancy. The first U.S. case of a baby infected in the womb was reported yesterday in Hawaii. Officials say the mother likely contracted Zika while living in Brazil. More than 3,100 women there had babies with abnormally small heads and underdeveloped brains, a condition known as microcephaly. That's why the CDC is advising pregnant women to avoid travel to 14 countries and territories in Latin America and the Caribbean, including Puerto Rico, Mexico, and Haiti.
The virus has reached epidemic proportions.
Dr. Nikos Vasilakis is a virologist at the University of Texas Medical Branch.
We need to educate women when they travel in the endemic areas because these viruses, they can lurk in our body without us knowing it, and inadvertently and unwillingly we can introduce them in our country.
Zika has not been transmitted in the U.S. Symptoms are usually mild, including fever, rash, joint pain, and red eyes. Although the virus has not been detected in Aruba, Christine RCE says she won't risk her baby's health.
Just thinking about it upsets me. You know, I just couldn't.
The CDC urges those who do travel to the affected areas to guard themselves against mosquito bites by wearing long sleeves and long pants and using insect repellent. There is no vaccine to protect against the virus. Jim?
Marley, thank you.
Contact com gele koorts en mosquitobestrijding AWP para mais informação sobre o status do vírus e sua sangura transmissor. Funcionário do departamento explica que no próximo dia não dá uma conferência de prensa sobre o assunto aqui. Mais que 3.000 gente mulher a baby não que celebra subdesenvolvida e aceita o argumento para a advertência de CDC.